so we're joined today by Professor Ton Hol of Utrecht University and Andrea Lollini of Bologna University. Thank you so much to the two of you for joining us. You two are specialists on the role of national highest courts in a globalizing world. What do you both see as the major changes in the role of national highest courts as a result of globalization and internationalization of law? Professor Hol.
I think if you look to the results of our research, it's quite interesting to see that at the moment you can see that there is a kind of paradigmatic change from a more hierarchical system to a more or less non-hierarchical system. That means that until recently you could see that there was an emphasis on national law as a source of law, and now more and more domestic highest courts are setting up a kind of network systems in which they meet each other's judges and discuss substantive matters, practical matters, but you can see that there is a kind of influence of national legal systems through these networks. You cannot see it immediately. If you look to the way highest court reason in the decisions, and you look to the arguments, now and then you see a reference made to other domestic or national systems, but more or less to underpin their own reasoning from a national legal system point of view of their own legal system. But if you look beneath, lots of things are going on, and that is what you can see if you look to the networks that have been set up now. Okay. But maybe Andrea can add something to that.
What we have done in the last 3 years of the research is to go through a lot of judgments. We analyze a lot of legal reasoning produced by different types of courts, not only European but also American, North American, Latin American, southern courts from southern part of the African, Asian courts. And what we have tracked down is a sort of new trend of creating what we call common patterns of interpreting the national constitutional principles. So what we are in some way noticing is that this phenomenon called dialogue between courts is a sort of creation of rising up of a common standards of interpreting the national constitutional principles. So it gives a sort of homogeneity in interpreting what existed in national constitutional law. So that's one of the major innovations we are noticing until now. So.
And there are more, and lots of new questions come up.
Yeah.
But that's for the future.
Thank you so much. Thank you.